Xbox.
Hey guys, it's Roscoe with Parts People. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move the bottom mouse buttons on a Latitude XT3. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this 5% discount coupon. Slide the latch over to unlock the battery. Lift the battery out of the laptop. Remove the screws. Remove the access door. Remove the hard drive screws. Remove the hard drive. Unplug the antenna cables. Remove the screws. Remove the cover. Unplug the DC jack. Loosen the cable. Loosen the antenna cables. Unplug and loosen the display cables. Remove the bottom base screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Using a small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry up the keyboard bezel. Remove the screws. Carefully turn the keyboard over and unplug the keyboard cable. Remove the keyboard. Unplug the cable. Remove the palmrest screws. Remove the palmrest. Unplug the cable. Remove the screws. Remove the mouse buttons. Are you looking for some more tutorials? Check out these other videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.